So today's my birthday, and guess what we're going to do? We're going to celebrate it by doing 37 burpees. I hear bees. I hear a lot of bees.
Been a real bad boy. I've got a ton of gravel in my shoe, world on my shoulder, heart full of blues. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt, down in the dirt. I've been a real bad boy on the town all night, starting to calm down with the morning light. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt.
By the way, does anybody know where the burpee was invented? I don't know, but someone should find out and punch him in the mouth.
I've been a real bad boy on the town all night, starting to calm down with the morning light. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt. Been a real bad boy. I've been a real bad boy on the town all night, starting to calm down with the morning light. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt. Been a real bad boy.
That's 29 different variations for a burpee that you can do with no equipment, and even outdoors, indoors, wherever you want. Man, my allergies are just like in trouble right now. But let's go into the gym and let's do the rest of them. Whew.
Been a real bad boy. I've been a real bad boy on the town all night, starting to calm down with the morning light. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt. Been a real bad boy. I've been a real bad boy on the town all night, starting to calm down with the morning light. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt, down in the dirt.
So that was 37. I'm pretty sure I may have come up with 38. Whatever, it was cool. Either way, thanks for watching. I hope you found something there that's useful. And if you don't like burpees, I'm really sorry. Maybe you'll find a way to enjoy them now. But so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And please, if you haven't already done so, make sure to hit the subscribe button, comment down below, And I'll see you in the next one.
Down in the